Hello and welcome to Research Circle. The topic for today's discussion is 5 reasons why writing skills are so important for students. So, education puts a strong emphasis on writing. Students have to produce numerous writing assignments, including but not limited to various essay, reports, case studies, reviews, and projects. And although such tasks are prevalent in academia, learners still face trouble composing incapable papers. So they state that their biggest pitfall is a lack of time. Working part time or attending extracurricular classes, they can't cope with all the assignments on their own. So, fortunately, professional writers don't let them panic. Worried and anxious students often turn to academic services like the one you can find here. So, we are going to look at the few points like good writing skills are required everywhere. We all know it is no wonder that writing is present everywhere. Whether you decide to continue your academic path, dwell into accounting, or become a designer, writing is a necessary. Good writing abilities allow you to better express yourself, convey a message to the reader, and have all the leverage you need to satisfy your needs. Besides, many jobs require providing writing skills during the application procedure, let alone writing proposal statement when enrolling in the college or university programs or applying for the scholarship. So there are few points like a stimulus brain. Have you ever thought about why prolific writer always think outside the box? After all, you can't take a writing after your parents. You have to nurture, cultivate, and practice it. Expert writers can generate unique ideas and concepts quickly because of their writing experience. They know how to kick off the writing process, that to focus on the outcome with the exclusive thoughts, and most importantly how to keep their content high quality. The next thing here is boost imagination. Also, writing enrich imaginations. Persistent writing requires a generating different content. Although zillions of topics exist, you will sometimes have to produce essay on the familiar topic. Of course, everyone will want to stand out when working on such papers. Good writing boosts your imagination and allows you to come up with one of the kind of concept. Besides, it enlarges your horizon and let you touch upon various subjects you would never think of in the past. The next thing comes here is speed up the brain functions. Additionally, writing speed up the brain functioning. We have experienced that fatigue and stiffness upon walking. Needless to say that our brain can barely work first thing in the morning. So writing helps accelerate the brain. By writing several paragraphs, you immediately become a more productive and attractive. Now foster the ability to explain and refine ideas to others. It is imperative to be able to express yourself clearly and understandably. Humans can produce impressive concepts. However, if they don't desire them transparently, such idea become worthless. So writing help polish speaking and communication skill. Writing documents require a following specific format and structure. Needless to say that you can't place an introduction at the end of your paper, otherwise readers will misunderstood you. That is the very basic thing. Also, you should strictly follow the word count. This calls for using the most appropriate structure and word to meet the requirements and make the entire work coherent. Help in academia. As we discussed earlier, writing is a predominant in academic. Whether the students major in the college, they face writing tasks and have to tackle them, and oftentimes homework has a significant weight on the final grades. So the ability to write a flawless essay gives student plenty of advantage over years. The main benefit of sound writing skill is that they allow the person to boost their average grade with the minimal effort. The next one is here, can generate money. Tuition fees are impressively high these days, making students take loan to cover their studies. Such studies can often cost learners an arm and a leg. So it isn't surprising that students want to land well-paid jobs right after the graduation to pay off their debts quickly. So corporations are very picky and they give priorities to knowledgeable and skillful graduates with at least some relevant experience. So there are most paid positions that rely on the writing are as a journalist, fiction writers, copywriters, SEO content writers, and technical writers. Now levels tedious task. Without a shadow of a doubt, writing can be tedious, mainly in academic. And love it or hate it, you can't hide from completing such tasks, submitting them on the time. Thanks to the solid writing skills, you won't spend hours researching, outlining, and drafting a document. The ability to compose an essay and make it smooth running will have a bag of time you spend on activities you like more. So the final words are here. Writing has been in our daily life for ages. Everyone writes a message, essay, or a letter daily. So, under no circumstances you should the importance of writing skill be diminished. So, students are especially reliant on writing. Of all the tasks, writing assignments are most common. They strive to improve learners' analytic and critical thinking skills, and notably they play a considerable role in students' average grades. The given above are only a few reasons in a favor of importance of writing, yet they prove entirely that outstanding writing provides a dozen benefits like improved communication, enhanced imagination and creativity, and the ability to buckle down the task faster without sacrificing their quality. So this is all about today's video. I hope these 5 reasons will help you in your writing skills and will definitely help you to improve your writing skill and ability. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share to your colleagues, belongings, and don't forget to subscribe.